How to use Wolt Partner app 2025. So here's an updated guide on how to use that Wolt Partner app in this year. So whether you're a new carrier or just need a refresher. So the Wolt Partner app is the official app for Wolt carriers. So it helps you manage deliveries, track earnings, and get navigation support while you're on shift. So to get started, of course, you're going to go ahead and download and install the app and open it. There, you can create and activate your account. So sign up to the app or via Wolt's career recruitment site, then upload the required documents, which includes a valid ID, driver's license, proof of right to work, DVFA, registration if applicable in your country. Then complete the onboarding session online or in person. So how to use the app actually. So you're going to go online, open the app and tap go online when you're ready to start working. You'll now start receiving delivery requests in your area. There you can finally accept orders. So you'll get a notification with order details. Then you can just tap accept to confirm that specific delivery. You can pick up the order by using the in-app map to navigate that restaurant or store and check the order number and tap pick up once you have it. Then once you have the item, of course, you can deliver it to the customer. So navigate to the drop-off location using in the app GPS and tap delivered once you have handed over the order. Then you may need to take a photo or confirm delivery in some areas. Now for earnings and payouts, you can tap the earnings section to view your current balance and recent payments. Payouts are usually made weekly to your registered bank account. And as for useful features, scheduled shifts, live support chat, you can view your ratings, delivery history, and performance stats. And you can receive bonus offers and promotions when available. But hopefully a part of this video or maybe some bit of information can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.